In this video, I'll review the WIX affiliate program, how to apply, referral commission, and how to get your unique affiliate links. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel after watching this video. You can check other videos on the channel as well. Let's get into the video. Alright, so for those of you who don't know what WIX is a website builder designed to help those who are not tech savvy to create websites within a short period of time. Alright, so to apply, just scroll all the way down to the footer. Click on affiliates. To start the application, you have to click on start earning now. But I will review first. So just for the record, WIX has over 109 million websites. So just for you to know that WIX is a giant when you talk about website building. Alright, so I'll review some of the questions that you might have in mind. Then after, I'll show you how to apply. Alright, so how can I become a WIX affiliate? You have to complete the application online, alright? And once your application have been approved, you will receive an email with the link to your affiliate dashboard. I will show you the application form. So you right click on this, open in the new tab. Alright, so this is the application form, but like I said, I'm gonna review some of the questions that you might have in mind, and after we'll come back here. Okay, now how much commission will you earn $100 per premium user. Premium user is when somebody subscribe to the plan, but if they are on the free version, you're not gonna make money. But if they subscribe right from the beginning to any of the premium plans, after 14 days, if they choose to stay, that is when you're gonna get the $100. So let's move on. Is there a limit to how many sales I can earn commission for? No, there is no limit. You can earn as much as you can. It depends on you. The more traffic you drive to your link, the more money you make. Okay. Is there a monthly sales target? Yes, so you have to make 3 sales, which means if 3 people sign up through your affiliate link, you're gonna make $300. So active affiliates must earn a minimum of $300 per month to get paid. Until you make the $300, you cannot withdraw your money. So if you have, let's say, 2 sales, that is 200. That means you cannot withdraw. How long is a cookie valid for? Yeah, so let's say if somebody click your link and sign up, so within the 30 days, if they upgrade their plan, you're gonna get a commission. But after 30 days, they don't upgrade their plan, you're not gonna get any commission. Okay, which websites are eligible to become a WIX affiliate? Alright, so if your website is a clean website, informative website, business website, that's okay. Alright, you don't need to worry. Basically, it's just those who don't have good websites, like bad stuff, like porn stuff, and all kinds of mean websites. How do I get my links and creative materials? Alright, so to find the links and the materials, trust me, it's not straightforward. It look a bit funny the way the dashboard is set up. I don't really like it. I have to do a little digging and stuff like that before I was able to find out. So this is something I would like to show you. So your sales is tracked through your unique affiliate link. Anytime somebody buys through your link, WIX is able to detect through your affiliate ID number. And when and how do I get paid? So like I said earlier on, until you get the $300, which is 3 signups, and on every 15th of the month, you can withdraw that amount of money. Alright, so now let me show you how to apply. This is the general application form. It's just simple. Let's say your name is company name. I would advise you to use your name. Okay, if you don't have a brand or you don't have a company name, I would advise you to use your name. People use their blog name, okay, or their website name, which is okay, but the reason why you should use your name is because along the way, maybe that blog name or that website name, you might get rid of that website and you can create other websites, but your name is still there. So I always like to use my name. So let's say John Doe again. Alright, so with the email address, please don't use Gmail address. Okay? If you use Gmail address, your chance of getting approved is very slim because they want to know that you have a website and you can place their banner on your website. Alright, because if you use Gmail, that means you don't have a website. Okay, alright, so for example, info@blogsdom.com. So address, that's your personal address. So 123 Test Avenue. Alright, so let's pretend this is the address. Let's delete this. Alright, so for city, you put your city, then you look for your country. So here you choose your states or your province or your region in your country. It depends on what they call it, okay? Because every country calls it different. Your zip, if your country doesn't use zip code, don't worry about it. Then your phone number, you put it there. Then your site name. So let's say, for instance, let's say Blogsdom, and then you put your URL link. So if you have another website, you just click on here and add the site name and the URL. So let's say your YouTube, okay, you want to promote on YouTube as well, which when you add it, it helps, okay? So what I did, like mine, for instance, I type Blogsdom here into bracket YouTube channel, then the YouTube link. All right, so you go to your YouTube homepage, okay, then you copy the link on top, okay? So moving on, my site does not contain abusive content, okay? Then you tick this. This is how they're gonna pay you. They're gonna pay you through wire transfer. They don't have check, they do wire transfer only. Beneficiary, you're gonna use the same name, John Doe. All right, then beneficiary address, the address that we entered up here, okay, up there, you're gonna enter here. So normally the account number ranges from 5 to 12, but I've seen 16 too. It depends on the country you are residing in. Then the SWIFT code routing number, this is your bank branch number. So this is your branch number. All right, so type the name of your bank here and the bank address. All right, so let's pretend this is your bank address, okay? I'm just trying to use something just for you to make sense of what I'm doing, okay? Then don't forget to add the postal code, okay? All right, as you can see, the system has generated affiliate name for you. It's gonna be mixed with your affiliate ID code. Let's say you call customer service or something and they need your affiliate name. This will be your affiliate name. Were you previously a WIX affiliate? You can say yes or no. If you say yes, maybe let me see if I say yes. All right, so if you say yes, what was your main campaign ID? All right, but in our case, you will say no. All right, so the agreement, you just have to check it, but please right click and open in a new window and make sure you read it. So let's say, for instance, I'll right click, open in a new window. So you're gonna scroll all the way down, but try and read it, okay? Okay, so when you are all the way down to them, you've read it, but it's good to read it too, okay? Some companies, if you don't read it or scroll all the way down to let them know that you've read it, when you click this and you click that and you submit, it's not gonna work. All right, then you click on this. I agree to receive email from the WIX affiliate program. All right, then when you're done, then you click submit. You're gonna receive this message and you have to go into your email address and check to confirm. I'll just do that, but I'm not applying, so I will just close it and I'll show you how to get your email. So I'm using RunCube email services through Bluehost because it comes with a plan, and this is WordPress website. So you're gonna get welcome to the WIX affiliate program message. You're gonna open it. I'll right click and open in a new window because welcome to the WIX affiliate program. Start earning commission in 4 easy steps. Okay, so click here to log into your wixaffiliate.com dashboard with your user name. Create your own password. Choose your offer from the offer tab. Grab your affiliate link and create from the creative tab. So don't click here, right click on this, right click. So you just have to enter a password and confirm the password. All right, then you're gonna get access to this login credential module. So this means your account has been modified. If it's not you, let them know. If it's you, that's fine. Then you know you are ready to start promoting. All right, so this is the dashboard. This will be your campaign summary and this will be your performance. All right, so you're gonna click to load. So when you set it new, this is what's gonna happen. All right, later on you get all the campaign summary down here. Yeah, so I just reload the page, then everything goes away when you reload the page. And this is the offers. So let me show you the offers. All right, so this is the important part. This is where you're gonna get all your links to promote. So I'll show you how to get them, and from the beginning it's a bit funny. There are language categories, okay, because this is in Czech, this is in Dutch, English, French, German, and the list goes on. All right, you have Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish. So these are the languages. So let's say we want to promote the English photography landing page, so you click on it. I wish Wix gonna fix this, because when you click on the link, you expect to go straight to the promotional links so you can promote it. But with Wix, you have to come back here, media type. If you want banner, if you want contextual, email, link out, or other, or PC, whatever, SEO, then you're gonna click it. All right, but I wish they will have everything straightforward. You don't have to come through here, because to people. Okay. So most of the time I like the link out, but if you're gonna promote on your website, then you're gonna use the banner. Choose link out, then you click submit. You're just gonna click on the link. Now this is the link. Then you double click this, right click, copy. All right, so this is what you're gonna be promoting. So you click here, drop the link, enter, and let's see. All right, so this is the landing page for photography. Okay, so this is the page that you'll be promoting, and it looks really, really nice. So if you want to promote the photography aspect of Wix, this is a beautiful landing page. I really, really like, but I wish they make it straightforward. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.